Hello, fellow traders. It's Nutty Bar, and this is what day is it? Tuesday. Tuesday, March 11th. We need to do an update. I am really hoping. I'm really hoping I'm not getting sick. I have a pounding headache, and I just hope I'm not getting sick. Um, the wife is feeling better. Cody's feeling better. Um, but I mean, they're not 100% yet, but at least they're to a point where they're out of bed and walking around and they are feeling better. So that is good news. And now I just really hope I don't catch what they had. Been trying to really take care, taking a lot of stuff, trying to disinfect everything. I don't know. I guess we'll see what happens. Um, but we need to do a recap because it's a very important recap. And there were some things that happened today. And I mean, first of all, let's just take a minute and really look like this market. I'm telling you what, I haven't been trading for that long. Only been trading for 3 years, 2 years technically. And I've never seen this kind of market. Never. And it is just unbelievable the moves that we're seeing intraday. Actually crazy. And honestly, I probably shouldn't. I don't know. This always comes in hindsight, but I'm not even really mad. But we lost 5 accounts today. These 5 Apex accounts right here, the red ones. Yeah, we lost 5 of those accounts today, and we did it trading 2 to 4 micros. And I wasn't even really I didn't even really go on tilt. I kept. I mean, right here's where it happened. It typical fashion. Um, End of day, everything was green. So just to do a kind of a recap, these accounts were green. Okay, we need to do a talk. These 3 Tradify accounts, I ended the day like $260 green on these accounts, but they went through some. We went through a torture chamber to get them to green. The overnight session, I had a pretty bad overnight session. Didn't trade a whole lot. Got stopped out twice and had a pretty big stop loss in place. So I was like down $1,000 per account on these 3 Tradify accounts. Thankfully, I did get them back and we turned them green, called it a day. These 2 Tradify accounts had a really good day on those accounts, $800 profit. I always like to do these recaps when the profit and loss still shows, but today I just couldn't do it. I had such a bad headache. I went to lay down and I slept from 4:30 to almost 5:45, and it's now 6 o'clock. And of course, the profit and loss is gone. But you can look at the balances, whatever. But I always try to do it. My headache did prevented me from doing it. So anyway, those accounts were great. Tradify accounts actually. Let's talk a little bit about the Tradify accounts. Right now, the Tradify accounts are looking really nice. I'm actually going to open my Tradify accounts here. You should be able to see this. Hang on. My face is kind of in the way here, but come on, behave. All right, you can kind of see here, but so these are the Tradify accounts. So we are actually really close where we can. I actually think I might just. So if you look here at the details, in order to get the consistency for my next payout, I just need like $50 more. I need $50 more, and then I just need to get 5 more traded days. And we already have our 5 days of $250 in profit. We already have that. So technically, the next 5 days, we just need $50 total in profit. That's only on these 150K accounts. Then we can request another 9,000. And I don't see a reason why not to do that. There's no need to be stupid and be aggressive and blow. Today scared me a little bit. I was down like 1,000 on those accounts, and I don't know, just kind of scared me to the point where I'm like, you know what? Let's lock in that $3,000 payout. And so I think I'm going to do that. These next 5 days, I'm going to try to get $50 profit. And we're basically just going to flip those accounts for the next 5 days, request another payout, and we'll take it. Getting payouts, the name of the game, and what's what we're trying to do here. Then we have these two 50K accounts. These are fresh, not fresh, but I just got these accounts maybe a week ago. And so far, our consistency rule, we need to get to $4,400 in profit to be under the 20%. So we need about $1,000 more of profit, and we need to trade for 5 more days. So my plan on these two accounts is just aim for $200 days for the next 5 days, and then we can lock in a $1,500 payout on these two accounts. So right now that's the plan. All right, that kind of sums up the Tradify accounts. Now let's move to the Apex accounts. So these 4 Apex accounts, these 4 50K Apex accounts, these were simple and easy. 2 trades. Took 2 trades, both of them winning trades, locked in $300 profit per account. No problem. I was like, oh, wow, this is so easy. This is great. And I did that on this move higher. I'm telling you what, this market is crazy. We went from the 19,200s all the way up to the 650s. And if you're on the wrong side of that, it's just brutal. It is insane. And that's what happened to me on these 5 accounts. I literally switched over and I thought, you know what? I'm going to trade these 5 accounts still. I'm going to look for around $300 in profit. And I entered right here and I got my first trade locked in, and it was fairly simple. $100, $120 profit locked in. And then I got in again here and I got stopped out here. I entered, and this is where my trading was bad. Like I'm not upset really. It's just crazy, like this kind of market. This was with 2 micros. I did switch to 4 micros right here, and that's where I lost the accounts. But it's just crazy how you can be trading 2 micros and you can be down $300 like that. It's crazy. And I don't know, I thought I was being pretty safe with 2 micros, but I guess not. Anyway, I did DCA two different times. And yeah, I got trapped in this slow rip lower from the 650s all the way down to the 400s. 250 point move lower, and there you go. It happened. I couldn't believe it. I'm like, oh, I'm like, there's no way this is gonna keep. There's no way this is gonna keep going lower. I thought this was for sure it, and I kept trading. I shouldn't be trading when the market closes. Like, I know these things, and I did anyway, and I paid the price. So those 5 Apex accounts are now gone. Now we're down to 10 Apex accounts, and to be honest, right now, I'm not going to replenish, almost like a little bit of a punishment. I will probably get more. I'm sure I will get more Apex accounts, but for now, I'm not going to just cycle through Apex accounts. I hate when I do that. I don't like that. So I'm going to slow down. We're going to wait. If we get a 90% sale, obviously I will probably get them. Or I might try to pass some 50Ks. I'm not even sure what size accounts I'm going to get. But we'll talk about that later. For now, we're going to focus on these 4 50K accounts. We're going to focus on our Tradify accounts. And then we're going to focus on our 150K accounts, which are looking great. Let's talk about these, the good news. Let's go to the good news. Let's talk about these 650K Apex accounts. Now we're talking. So today, locked in like a $70 day or something. It was $60 or $70 profit day on these 6 accounts. And I wasn't 100% sure if I can request a payout on those today. I thought I could, but I forgot kind of I lost track of when I requested my previous payout. That was denied, and rightfully so. I broke the rule on the previous one, but this one I feel like it's fine. This one should be good. So we have officially requested $27.50 from each of these 6 accounts, which will be a total of $16,500 if I get approved. Knock on wood. I think I will. I don't remember breaking the rule. I'm pretty sure we'll be fine. And yeah, I'm very excited. Very excited, and we will definitely be refreshing the Apex requested payout page like a degenerate. So very excited, very happy, finally requesting a payout on those Apex accounts that I've had for, well, like you saw, I've been trading these accounts for 118 days. 118 days. These 150K accounts, I got these accounts back in June of last year. I'm going to make it my goal to keep these accounts for a year. That is going to be my goal. I'm going to try my hardest. Obviously, requesting that $27.50 per account. The plan going forward is just to be just 2 to 4 micros, and we're going to aim for $200 a day. Slow and steady, nothing crazy. We got to talk about red days. I'm going to try to set my red day limit at like $350 to $400. So my psychological, everything I need to make sure is in line, and make sure I'm accepting red days, $300 to $400 red days. We're going to look for $200 green days, rack up 8 traded days, and then just request. Basically, every 8 days that I can request a payout, my plan is going forward to request half of the profits that I made in those 8 days. That way we can grow the balance, but still pay ourselves. That's going to be my goal. That is going to be my plan. So I'm excited. But also want to be cautious. It seems like, at least for me, anytime I request payouts, like the day after I request payouts or the week after I request payouts, are always the most dangerous for me for some reason. I don't know. I think it's a psychological thing where you just kind of feel like you've been going toward a goal, you finally achieved it, and then you almost let yourself relax, and you almost let yourself get into some bad old habits. So trying to really not do that, even if that means not trading for a couple days, I'm okay with that. So now my streaming schedule. If you're still here, streaming schedule tomorrow. I don't see that I'm going to be streaming tomorrow. I just don't see it. Maybe in the afternoon, maybe an afternoon stream. But right now I'm going to try to I'll do a post about it, but I'm really hoping I'm not getting sick. But, yeah, I got a pounding headache, and I'm going to try to take a lot of stuff, get a lot of rest, and we'll go from there. But it's been a crazy, crazy week of the wife and Cody being sick, and it just seems wild. It seems like a wild week so far, but so far, so not a terrible week. We've lost another set of 5 accounts, which is frustrating. Don't like it, but at the same time, these these accounts, losing them, I don't even know. I don't even feel that bad about it in a way. It's just been, the market is just that crazy. It's getting to the point where we're going to have to get micros for micros. That's how bad volatility is anymore. So anyway, enough rambling. I will cut it off here. I don't know when I'll see you next. I'm going to try to do an update every day, and we'll stay in touch that way. But until then, take care, everyone. I hope you guys all stay green. I hope you guys had a great day. Take care, and God bless.